Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the words concerning to the prefix, that is IG, IL, and IM, IN, and IR. As you can see, how exactly that insatiable, that is with the prefix as IN, the same will be given in the next slides. Let us see what exactly the meaning of all these words which comes with the prefix. Now we have initially incorporeal, that is without material form or substance, lacking physical existence, is incorporeal. It has no material, without any kind of material form and substance, lacking physical existence. It has nothing in physical. Incorrigible, which cannot be corrected, that is incorrigible. Incorrupt, that is not corrupt, and error free, we can say that is impeccable, spotless, it is good. So that is virtuous and honest, you can tell. And we have the opposites are dishonest and corrupt. Incredible, which cannot be believed or beyond or whatever be activities. Incredible activities, like we have Michael Phelps who has got a gold medals. It's incredible activity in Olympics. We have indecorous, that is not proper or improper, so that is indecorous. Next we have indelible, not capable of being removed, that is indelible. So whatever which is not capable of being removed or erased is indelible. We have indemnify, that is to compensate for loss, damage, or hardship, that is indemnify. We have indescribable, that is not describable. Next we have, as usual, ineffable, that is same as indescribable, which cannot be described. As you can see how exactly uncontainable, you place the stars in the sky and you know them by name, you are amazing God. So overall it is indescribable, which cannot be described, so it is indescribable. Indignant, that is feeling or showing anger at something unjust or wrong. Annoyed, furious, that is indignant, so showing something anger. Indisposed means to make unwilling, to make incapable or unfit, that is indisposed. Next we have indocile, not easily taught or disciplined, is indocile, so with the indisciplined behavior. Indolent, dislike work or exertion, that is lazy, and idle is indolent, so that is lazy activities. As it is, opposite is enthusiastic and interest. Indubitable, that is not to be doubted or questionable, so we have the opposite doubtable, doubtful. Indubitable, so that is which cannot be doubted, he is sincere. Inedible means, edible means which can be eaten, inedible means which cannot be eaten. As we can see, we can also call it as unpalatable. We have ineffable, that is not capable of being expressed in words, that is indescribable, as usual, already discussed. Next we have inefficacious, not capable of producing the desired effect, is inefficacious. So as you can see, the picture has been given as inedible, which cannot be eaten, that is rotten in it. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As it is segregated into various lists, you can directly download it or you can directly go through step by step. Next we have ineluctable, that is not able to be avoided, that is certain, or inevitable, that is ineluctable. Inequality, we knew that in our society we have the inequality between the general category as well as other backward caste, whatever CSTs, so that the condition of being unequal or uneven bias. Iniquity, a lack of justice, unfairness, that is injustice. So this is one thing, iniquity. Ineradicable, impossible to completely to get rid of or confirmed, so overall which cannot be eradicated, that is what the meaning of it. Inert means having no or inherent ability to move or to resist motion, that is dormant, lifeless. As we have inert, having no or inherent ability. Next we have inevitable, incapable of being avoided is inevitable. Inexorable is not to be persuaded, moved or affected by prayers or entreaties, cruel, pitiless. These are all. We have the pitiless means they have no pity at all. So pitiless. We have inexorable, that is not to be persuaded or moved or affected. Inexpiable, that is incapable of being atoned for. Unforgivable, inexcusable is inexplicable. So in this, incapable of being atoned for or unforgivable, that is inexpiable. Inexplicable means not capable of being explained, understood or accounted for, which cannot be explained, that is inexplicable, which cannot be explained. Infallible means not capable of failure, flawless is infallible. As you can see, he is Mr. Perfect. So it means he is not capable of failure, he is flawless. He is perfect and he will do whatever the task has been given. He is infallible. Infamous, having a bad reputation, that is disgraceful and shameful activities. We have infelicitous, that is not happy, not suitable or adverse is infelicitous. Infidel means a non-believer in particular religion, theory, doctrine, principle, unbeliever, that is atheist. These are all infidel. The opposite of it is theist. Who believes in it, who doesn't believe is, that is infidel. Infidelity, lack of faith in a particular religion is infidelity. Infinite, as you can see, without limit or limitless to the right side, how exactly infinity is written in it. Next we have infinitesimal, that is incalculability or immeasurably small, that is microscopic and minuscule. These are all incalculable. So these are all various form of infinitesimal. Next we have infirmity, a physical or moral weakness or flaw, that is sickness, that is infirmity. Inimical means unfriendly, hostile, antagonistic, contrary and friendly, assisting, that is inimical. As you can see, which is all inimic, unfriendly nature. Opposite is friendly, that is inimical. Like as you can see, amicable. Inimitable, that is matchless, incapable of being imitated, that is inimitable. Iniquity, that lack of righteousness, that is iniquity. Next we have innocuous, not harmful or injurious, that is harmless. Innominate, that is without a name or unidentified, that is innominate. Inordinate means not in order, not within reasonable limits, that is inordinate. Insatiable, not capable of being satisfied, wanting for more. As you can see, satiable is the satisfiable. So here, as you can see, how exactly insatiable means she wants more than whatever she got. Inscrutable means not easily understood is inscrutable. Insipid means lacking taste or flavor is insipid, that is having the tasteless, so which has no taste at all. Insomnia means chronic inability to sleep is insomnia, that is they don't sleep during the night time, they have the bad sleep. Insouciant means without concern or worry, carefree, easygoing, that is casual. The quite opposite is anxious. So in this case, insouciant means she is so insouciant, that is she is casual, she is easygoing. Anxious is the opposite. Inseparable means which cannot be separated, of being overcome, impossible to surmount, that is insurmountable, which means which cannot be separated. So which cannot be capable of being overcome, impossible to surmount, or insurmountable. Both are same. Insurmountable, inseparable, both are same. Intangible means unable to be touched, not having physical presence is intangible. There is no physical presence, that is intangible, like air, which is intangible. Intractable, not easily controlled or managed, that is intractable. that is, you can call it as stubborn. As you can see how exactly the intractable pain is occurred in that human. Intrepid means not afraid in the presence of danger. Fearless, he is courageous. So everything is intrepidic, it is heroic. So we have the opposite is cowardly, fearful and timid. Next we have inveracity means unfaithfulness. There is no faith at all. Invincible means not capable of being conquered or overcome or unbeatable. So he cannot be unbeaten. That is, Dhara Singh is invincible. Who cannot beat him? He was invincible Pahalwan. Irrecusably, not being conquered or overcome. That is unbeatable. That is irrecusably. We have the next irrefutable means not be capable of being disproved or refused. That is indisputable. As usual, irrefutable. We have irreparable means not capable of being repaired or restored. As you can see how exactly it cannot be repaired. So these are the few things I had prepared from the whatever with the prefix M, IM, IN, whatever has been given. You can call me on 7667302252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for a free of cost. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.